Hey, what it is, YouTube? It's your girl Keyzkrazy. I'm back with another yamsaying. If y'all want to know how I transformed this wig, keep watching. Alright, bitch, so let me tell you about this wig first before we get started. It's a synthetic blend lace front. You see, come over. I don't know the dimensions, okay? So, forgive me. And the shit long as shit. I don't know what inch it is, 26. I don't know. This shit comes to my ass. You see how the lace covers it and all that shit, all that good shit, okay? Now, boom. Let's get started. Go get a fucking brush. That's the first step you gonna do. You gonna wanna brush this bitch out, okay? Because this bitch been sitting in a motherfucking bag. This shit been balled the fuck up for months, behind months, okay? So yeah, brush this bitch the fuck out. Now, if you don't have the same type of wig I have and you just trying to learn how to reconstruct a human hair wig, you gonna do the same thing, bitch. You gonna get a fucking brush and you gonna brush that shit out. You gonna keep brushing until you don't see no more damn tangles, okay? So that's what I'm doing here. And you see this shit at the back of the wig, all that tangles and shit, yeah. Brush that shit out to the best of your ability, okay? Because I got a synthetic wig and that shit ain't gonna be all the way out. But trust me, by the end of this video, that shit is gonna be going bad, okay? So I'm just brushing that shit out until it's at a manageable state. Because that shit ain't gonna be able, I ain't gonna be able to run my fingers through the shit, okay? Because it's synthetic hair, like, let's be real. So I'm just brushing it until it's at a manageable state. And then I'm gonna head to the sink. So let's go. Alright, so we at the sink and you just want to get some conditioner. I'm using some your conditioner, girl, because it's a wig and I don't give a it's a synthetic wig. I don't care. If you're using a human hair wig, then you might want to use some more suitable conditioner. Anyway, so turn the water on to hot. Make sure that shit is hot to the point where you don't even want to touch that shit, okay? Because you want that shit to soak your wig. You want that shit to really soak your wig so it can really smoothen it out and make it soft and woody, okay? So after that, I'm just making sure I get the whole wig covered in conditioner, and I'm lathering it. I'm not washing it like how I would wash my hair. I'm just running my fingers through it with the conditioner. That's why I have to turn the water off, so I can make sure that everything is covered and it's all silky and woody, okay? So that's what you want to do. And another way you can do it, you can also let your wig soak in hot water and conditioner and all that, so that way it can really get into it, okay? So what I'm doing right here is I'm just fingering it out because I'm not gonna go ahead and brush it out again. We just went through whatever. No. So I'm just figuring it out with the conditioner in it, letting it sit for 1 or 2 minutes while I do that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out because this is quick, boo. What I'm doing right here is just making sure I get all that old build up and all that old glue and stuff and gunk off of the lace, so when I go to reapply it after we finish, that shit not still on there and I can reapply a fresh lace, boo, okay? So I'm just going ahead and doing it with my fingers and stuff. You got a comb, you can use a comb, but I'm using my fingers, so whatever works for you, okay? That works for me. So after I do all that, I'm just going to rinse the rest of the conditioner out the wig. I'm going to continue to run my fingers through it and finger comb it while I do so. Once all the conditioner is out, I'm going to wring the wig out, like squeeze it, and then I'm going to grab something to dry the wig with so I can prep it to blow dry, okay? Alright, so we finished washing the wig. I done put that shit inside of an old hoodie because I ain't had no towel that I could use for my wig. So who gives a fuck? And I got this damn mannequin here that I was trying to use. I put this shit on top of one of my ring lights. I took the ring light off and I had put the piece on top, I stuck it inside the damn mannequin hole so I could put the wig on top so I can like get into it for real. Okay, so I just put the wig on top and shit, and I'm just trying to brush it out now, just so you know we can prep it and get ready for blow dry. And then you see what happened. Yeah, that's what happens when you make bootleg fucking products. Okay, so yeah, I had to just brush that shit out with my hand because obviously my little wig stand was not strong enough. So who gives a fuck? And still make it work, make it twerk, baby. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna continue to brush this shit all the way out until I feel like it's at a manageable state again. Mind you, it's easier now because I already brushed it out and it's wet and all that shit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig stand back together and put the damn wig back on top of the damn mannequin head. Okay, so now it's more manageable, so I don't have to really like brush hard. That's what made it fall in the first place. I could continue to prep it for blow dry, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm just continuing to brush it out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my blow dryer. Ain't gonna lie, this shit was giving my ass a hard fucking time. Okay, like I had to hold the damn stand with my hand and my foot and my toe, my big toe and shit, just so the shit wouldn't move and could stay in place. The damn brush kept dropping and shit. The shit was fucking getting on my last goddamn nerve. Okay, so listen, I didn't say this shit was gonna be easy, but it is pretty much easy for the most part. But it just your patience has to be there. Okay, so I just had to add that in there so y'all ain't think that this shit about to be like boom bang and bada boom. No, bitch, you about to have to actually put in a little bit of effort if you want your wig to come out right. Alright. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish brushing that shit out, and then like I said, I'm gonna grab my damn blow dryer. Okay, so boom, we ready to blow dry. Now, I just want to let y'all know it's a technique, okay? A technique to get this shit straight, without even touching a motherfucking flat iron, hot comb, any of that shit. This shit gonna be straight and flowing, boo. That's a technique I'm about to show y'all, okay? You're going to take your brush and you're going to take your blow dryer and you're going to brush and blow dry, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean by that. Okay, you're going to do just that. Put the hair in between the blow dryer and the brush, and you're going to slide it down, and you're going to brush and blow dry. That's the technique. You can go ahead and continue to blow dry how you normally would, how you see I'm doing. I'm just blow drying it, but I'm also using that technique. I'm putting the hair in between the middle of the brush and the blow dryer, and I'm just sliding down, brushing and blow drying at the same time. I don't know what the fuck a name for this shit is called. You're gonna brush and blow dry. That's what the fuck I can think of, bitch. You better fucking use your common sense. Brush and blow dry. Okay? Now, make sure the shit is on hot. That's another thing. This shit gotta be on the highest heat, or you gonna just be fucking blow drying the shit. It's not gonna get straight, you know? So make sure that shit is on the highest heat, and like I said, use that technique, bro. So that's what I'm doing the whole time. I'm just brushing and blow drying, using that technique, putting the hair in between the middle of the blow dry and the brush, making sure that shit connect, and I'm sliding that shit down like so. Okay, I can't explain it no other way. Hopefully you guys can really see exactly how I'm doing it, and yeah, this is what's going to get your wig bone straight. Okay, bone straight, the turkey neck bone straight. Okay. Yes, so let's really get into that shit. I'm not going to continue to talk the whole time because I'm about to continue to blow dry this shit using my technique. Then I'm going to come back when we're all finished, okay? And might I add, this is not my technique. Like, I did not make this shit up. when I used to go to the Dominicans and I used to get my hair pressed out from them, I seen them doing that shit to my real hair, and I was like, oh, I started getting my hair extra bone straight. So I started doing that shit to my real hair, and I started doing that shit to every hair, like my wigs and my weaves and anything I use. So this is not my technique. I seen somebody else do it, but you know, it's the technique. Use it, bitch. Use it to the best of your fucking ability, because it's saving lives and it's saving wigs and it's slaying lives and it's slaying wigs. Bitch, let's go.
You know you ain't pissed for this. 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 You know you ain't pissed for this.
Back out here.
You know you ain't pissed for this.
Alright, so it's just about dry, and I ain't gonna lie, this bitch really started to piss me off right up at this point. I was already a little bit irritated, but this shit really started to get the fuck on my nerves. Look at this shit. This bitch leaning to the side and shit. Bitch neck broke. Like, bitch, sit the fuck up. And they gonna have a nerve to fall. I was done. I was like, nope, we done. So the shit was pretty much dry any fucking way. So I was like, alright, babe, let's get back into it. So what I basically was just showing y'all how flowing it is, and that's just only from the blow dry. And now I'm just going to blow dry the inside so I could put that shit on my head. I'm not putting no fucking wet ass wig on top of my fucking head. That shit gonna be itching. I'm be patting that shit like, nah. Yeah, so I'm blow drying the inside of the damn wig, and then we gonna put that shit on top of my fucking head. Okay, so now I got on my head, and that shit more sturdier because my head not gonna be leaning to the side. I could use my technique again, for real. So I'm just getting back into my technique, going back over it so that shit can really be straight, making sure that he hit it, and I'm making sure that shit get straight, period. So that's what I'm doing, and then I put it back on the mannequin so you guys can really get into the deets. Y'all see that shit? Y'all see that shit? And like I said in the beginning of the video, this is a synthetic human hair blend. It's basically a synthetic wig, boo. Look at the transformation. Y'all see, I ain't even gotta talk no more.
You know you ain't pissed for this.
And that's just that. That's just that. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video to a friend. Help a homegirl out, because you never know who might need to see this damn video. Okay. I'm gonna put the link to where you can find this wig in the description, and if you want to know how I styled this wig, click the link in the corner. Okay. And I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your girls Keyzkrazy, and I'm out.